Here's how to make a bar graph in Microsoft Excel. A bar graph is a visual way to present your data. Let's say you want to see how profitable your denim stock is in a bar chart. We want to show the profit margin values against the different denim clothing items. Select all the denim clothing items in the column, then press and hold down the Command or Control button on your keyboard and select the sales profit values. Once you have selected all the data, click on the Insert tool on the top menu, then select the Bar Graph. A pop-up window will appear with bar graph design options. Select the one you want by clicking on it and your graph will appear. You can double-click on the chart title and type in the heading you want to give your chart. Under the Chart Design section, you can customize your bar graph. Click on the drop-down arrow by the Quick Layout icon and select a design to add X-axis and Y-axis titles. To change your graph to a different kind of chart, you can click on the drop-down arrow beside the Change Chart Type icon and select a different type of graph.